Reading comprehension Anong grade na kayo?
Grade 3.
Very good. Mauna ka. Anong pangalan mo?
Mary Joy.
Mary Joy. Mauna si Mary Joy. Sige, basa. Appraise.
Appraise.
Does.
Does.
Not.
No.
Express.
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 A.
A.
Complete.
Complete.
Through.
Through.
It.
It.
Does.
Does.
Not.
Not.
End.
And.
With.
With.
A.
A.
Punctuation.
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 Mark.
Mark.
Sige. Ano pangalan mo?
Tyron.
Tyron. Sagot. Ayun, tayo na Mary Joy. Katabi ako. Tyron, basa.
A sentence express a complete thought. It start with a capital letter. It ends with a period, a question mark, or a exclamation point.
Exclamation point.
Exclamation point.
Very good. Next. Dito, Ning. Dito ka dito. Tayo. Ito.
I have two big cats. Ten.
Lakas mo lang yung boses mo.
Ten is my
White.
white
Cat.
cat. Bim
Bim is
my tan cat.
very good. Sige. Galing. How do we tell events in the correct order? First, think. Iniisip, think. Of what happened in the beginning of the story. Next, think of what happened in the middle. There can be more than one event. Then think of what happened at the end. Sige. Next. Usaborito na. Mary Joy. Balik tayo kay Mary Joy. 3 minutes na. 3 minutes. Lahat ito babasahin nyo. Tig-isa kayo Mag-start tayo kay Mary Joy. Now
We are
going
to
make
a
web
of
words
that go
together according to their middle sound. Anong Tagalog ng sound? Mary Joy. Tunog. Tagalog ng sound. Tunog. The web. Right.
The word
words
words
near
near
the
the
picture
picture
where
where
they
they belong.
belong.
I
Say
say
the name
the name of the picture
picture
to now
to know
to know which
which words
words
belong
to it. Do please
do this
do this
in your notebook.
in your notebook.
Okay. Okay.
Now we are going to make a web of words that go together according to their middle sound. Complete the web. Write the words near the picture where they belong. Say the name of the picture to know which words belong to it. Do this in your notebook.
Ganito, sa pagbabasa, mapo ko muna dito, Tyron. Sa pagbabasa, kunwari, may period, tuldok, no? Kunwari, now, we are going to make a web of words that go together according to their middle sound. Tapos, pagdating ng period, titigil ka doon kasi nga may period. Ibig sabihin yun hanggang doon. Tapos, babasin ulit ko sa niya. Complete the web, write the words near the picture where they belong. Say the name of the picture to know which words belong to it. Do this in your notebook. Ganon, gets? Next. Dito ka dito. Basa. Now, ilakas mo. Now.
Now
We
we are going
going
to
make. Sige, ilakas mo lang para marinig ka dun sa video.
make a
Web
web of words that go
together.
according to their middle sound. Complete the web. Write the words
Near
near the picture where they belong. Say the name of the picture to count
to know
to know which words belong to it. Do this in your notebook.
Very good. Next. Hindi ka dito din. Pag hindi mo alam tuturo, sabihin ko yung pagbabasa.
No.
Now we are going to make a web of words that go together according to their middle sound. Ano yung Tagalog ng sound? Tunog. Tunog. Sige. Complete the web. Write the words. Ano yung words sa Filipino? Salita. Near the picture where they belong. Say the name of the picture to know which words belong to
It.
Eat.
It.
Do.
Do.
This.
This.
In.
Then. You.
No, your
Your
notebook. Very good. Palagpakan. Next. Nakaka 10 minutes na tayo. Siguro ito. Mabilis na lang ito. Okay. Mary Joy. On.
On.
Ah,
Climb.
usog muna tayo ng konti dito. Okay na.
Climb.
On.
On.
Clean.
Clean.
Okay man. Dito tayo. Dito ka muna, Neng. Dito. Usog ka dito. Nang sabi ng konti dito. Okay, magtatabi. Usog ka ng konti dito, Neng. Wait. Yan. Clean.
Clean.
Sheet.
Sheet.
Of.
Paper.
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 Ano yung paper? Ano sa Filipino ang paper?
Okay. Paper.
Ano yun? Mary Joy? Ha?
Notebook.
Notebook, pwede, pero papel. On a clean sheet of paper. Sige, basa yung on. On
On.
a clean
A clean
sheet
sheet
of
of
paper.
paper.
Draw
Draw
the traveler's
traveler
stone
stone
soup.
soup.
Ano yung soup? Ano yung soup? Sa Filipino? Sabaw. Sabaw. Kunwari, the soup is sour. Ang sabaw ay maasim. Recipe.
Recipe. Where
Write
write
the
the
ingredients.
ingredients
Ingredients.
ingredients
Ingredients.
ingredients
Ingredients.
ingredients
Ingredients.
ingredients
Inside
inside
the
the pub.
inside
Inside
the
the
pot.
pot.
Write
Write
one
1 or 2 sentence
sentences
sentences
about
about the
the soup.
soup.
Okay. Nasa.
On a clean sheet of paper, draw the traveler's stone soup recipes. Write the ingredients inside the pot. Write 1 or 2 sentences about the soup.
Very good. Neng, dito. Basa.
Dito po.
Sige, dito na lang. Nasa may huli mo na.
On a clean
On a clean
sheet
sheet.
of paper. Draw
Upo ka. Draw
the
travelers. Stone soup.
soup.
Recipe.
Write the
Ingredients.
ingredients
Inside
inside
the
the
pot.
pot. Write 1 or 2
Sentences
about the
soup. About the soup. Soup, sabaw. Soap, sabon. Gets?
Opo.
Ano yung soup? Ano yung soup?
Sabaw. Ay.
Ano yung soup?
Sabon.
Soup. Ano yung soup?
Sabaw.
Sabaw. Ano yung soap?
Sabon.
Sure.
Soap,
Hindi. Soap. Ano yung soap? Sabon. Ano yung soup?
Sabaw.
Sabaw kayong lahat. Last na. Usog ulit dun, Usog na ulit. Hindi ka saan. Hindi ka. Basta pa doon. Sige pa. Kunti pa. Doon pa. Usa pa ng kunti. Tig-isa na kayo dito. Sige. Usa pa ng kunti dyan. Hanapin na. May uulan na.
There's a jug in the middle of a rug. There's a jug in the middle of a rug. There's a jug.
There's
A jug. There's a jug. There's a jug. There's a jug. There's a jug in the middle of the rug.
Of a rug. Very good. Next. There's a mug
There's a mug
in the jug
in the jug
in the middle
in the middle
of a rug.
of a rug.
There's a mug
There's a mug
in the jug
in the jug
in the middle
in the middle
of a rug.
of a rug.
There's a mug.
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 There's a mug
There's a mug
in the jug
in the jug
in the middle
in the middle
of a rug.
of a rug.
Very good. Basahin na. Ay, ano? Paulit-ulit yun. Magpalit ako ng iba.
Yan. Yan.
Sige ito. Mary Joy. It was a summer.
It was a summer.
The animals
The animal
felt,
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 fell,
felt,
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 hot.
hot,
Hudson,
Hudson,
the
the
cub,
crab
rolled
rolled
in
in
the
the mud.
mud. He
He
rolled
rolled
in
in
the
with
the
wheat
wet mud.
mud
That's
that
so
so
good,
good
says
says
Hudson.
Hudson.
Very good. Last na. Ari ko tatanong dito. Tapos mamilin na kayo. Work
Work
with
with
your
your
group.
group.
Copy
Copy
the
chocolate
character
character
profile
profile
on
on
Manila
Manila
paper.
paper.
Choose
Choose
one
of
the
characters
in
the
story and complete its character
character
Profile.
profile
below.
below.
Very good. Sige. Sa tayo.